What's up, guys? Thought I'd make a quick little video, let you guys check out the cars and stuff, check out the yard. I don't really let you guys see these too much stuff, a couple pictures, but got the TL, got the RSX Type-S with the little $50 Walmart car cover, 3-foot anchors on it. My crappy yard, my dirt driveway. Anyway, got the A-Spec kit on the Type-S RSX. Love that car. Pretty much done with that one, but I need to do a few things with this TSX or TL so I can get it sold. Put the Mugen bumper on it, repaint the rims, touch up the paint, and retint that window. Done most of the stuff I need to do, but can check these out a little bit. So you guys see the sexy RSX. We're gonna take this for a spin real quick. I'm gonna check out the new dash cam, see how that's working. Might start doing some drive with me vids or something. But yeah, let's hop in, check it out. Hopefully those come out good. Dash cam. If so, oh, guys got a sneak preview. A little sneak peek. If those work out, maybe we'll start doing that. We'll see. Just a clean interior, except for, like I said, I got a dirt driveway, so that's super dirty. But let's say I got two different floor mats. I got the regular ones and the rubber covers. They're all RSX and everything too. So, well, take a look at my little crappy duplex. That's my neighbor's house on the left there. That's the place. Tiny little apartment. It's something. It's cheap. But yeah, here's the new dash cam behind here, hidden behind the mirror. Give that a try. See how that works. Maybe do a couple pulls. I don't know. Drive around Springs a little bit. See if you guys enjoy that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll get back to you with that. We'll be back in a little bit. See you soon.